Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Jamil once again. Let's see where market can go for tomorrow and how we can trade on here. The last day we have done discussed the easiest things could be do in the market. Once this range going to be closed after opening the flat, we could aggressively sell in the market till 13,800 round level. But market did not come back our range. He continuously go on the higher side. The good thing is market will save you not to do a wrong trade in the market. We had a plan, we will sell only after break this range, but market did not give us any sign that he is coming back for selling. He continuously go on the higher side. Right now market has made completely green candle, which is bullish pattern on the market, and he sustaining on his major support. 13,900 round level is a major support for the market. So let's see how we can plan to take a trade for tomorrow. And there is a gap which is pending for tomorrow. It's look like market will go for fill this gap. So let's see how we can take a trade. Let's jump into the 50-minute time frame to make it more clear. The way today the way market has recovered, it is completely a V pattern, and this is another name in price action in smart buying. This is the way price has recovered from the bottom. It's called smart buying on the market, and this kind of pattern you will see only 3 to 4 times in the market. This kind of recovery generally most of the time you will see market has made completely W pattern from the top. W pattern is nothing but double bottom, and people call double pattern and also a double bottom. So the way market has closed, it is completely strong with the seller, and the previous swing buyer also closed above this swing. So right now buyer market with the buyer. So how we can plan in here today, for tomorrow, suppose market going to open above this range 13,000 14,150. If market going to open in here, we can buy in the market till 14,300 round level after, because this is going to be the support for the market. 14,300 round level, this is going to be the support for the market, resistance for the market, and he will going to be the first time to face this resistance level from the bottom to higher zone, and market always respect his support and resistance for the first time. So this is going to be the first time market going to meet his resistance level. So we can plan if this range above opening in the market 14,150, we could plan for buying till 14,300 level. Then after hit this certain limit, we need to check out what the market reaction. It could be after hitting this 13,100 level, it could be for a retracement, or if he's gonna be sustaining on the higher level, we might see another high on the market for tomorrow. As market this kind of movement we could expect. Suppose we are assuming this is going to be this is our 13,300 round level, and after market hitting this first resistance, he completely will going to be sustained like that. Then we might be see another high from this range for tomorrow. So let the market decide what he wants to go, but the best and the good things and best trade we are going to get for tomorrow 14,100 above any of the point market going after opening. We need to see just 5 minutes after. If 5 minute green candle, as soon as it cross another 5 minute green candle, we can put our SL here and we can buy the market for 13,000 14,000 round 100 level. Then after that we need to check out the price action. If buyer are strong, definitely we could see another new high in the market for tomorrow. This is our first plan. The second plan, if market, suppose market was a bullish trend, market completely open in the gap up 13 above 13,300 or 14,300. I mean this range 14,300 or above 14,300 above, going to open directly on the gap up for tomorrow. Then it could be, there could be also two possibility could be happen for tomorrow. First, we need to check after opening the gap up, we need to check the first 5 minute candle, what the market is doing in 5 minutes smaller time frame. If the higher high, as soon as it cross, if after opening the 5 minute chart, if we see the market completely make a green candle after opening the gap up, which means he started sustaining. As soon as it cross, we can buy the market, because the buyer who buy from the bottom, they are not going to sell it here, because buyer will only sell once they think market is right now no more potential to go on the higher side, but after opening the gap up, still there's a important level for the market, which is 14,500 round level. 14,000 round level will be the general target for the buyer. So even if the market going to open the gap up for tomorrow, there could be the two possibility. First possibility we just now discussed, after opening the gap up, we need to switch on to the 5 minute time frame. Then as soon as it cross the 5 minute green candle high, we can buy the market till 14,500 level. This is the first condition after opening the gap up. The second condition, if suppose market after opening in the gap up for which is 14,300 round level, if he make negative candle, only one consider, if market make a negative candle, then we need to be wait that market directly will be fall down till 14,200 round level. After that we could see a low higher high or any good pattern for whatever the pattern, any kind of buying signal, we can buy the market. Then we could see we can planning to buy the market till 13,400 round level. So is a daily time frame. So this is our plan for intraday. For the selling we need to wait for one day, because the closing has done very strongly. We cannot planning for selling this market, but for the selling we need to wait for closing below 14,000. 14,000 completely are very strong support for the market. If support unfortunately market has done any negative scenario and start to closing 14,000 round level, then we might see aggressive downfall in the market. It could be for 1,000 points. We could see 14,000 to 13,000, which is terrible scenario in the market in future. I'm talking about in the future, not for tomorrow. So this is our internet plan. So make sure do your own research for the market. So right now market for the shorter term is trying to make a bullish pattern. So if he is bullish or short, if he is completely bullish or what, for this we need to check our daily time frame for every day. If I draw the line, then how we can think that he is going to be a bullish in the market? Right now he make a double green candle, which is very cool. After first selling, this is the first strong pullback in the market for the buyer side. Suppose after opening the flat, market go on the higher side for tomorrow, that any of the point he will face a resistance, then seller will sell the market again. Then he will find support somewhere. It could be 14,000, it could be 14,300, 400. Then the moment he start to go on the higher side, this will going to be the initial price action stage, that market going to be the reversal on the trend from bearish to bullish. This is how the price action work in longer term. So let's see how which stock we can trade for tomorrow. There's one stock that I have selected for selling in the market for tomorrow, which is JP Morgan. JP Morgan now, right now, completely he's sustaining on his support range. That support multiple time already retested for the market. Previous time he, after breakout, he take a first support. After spending a long time, market again start to come on his support level, and that is already multiple time retest. As we always know, market, if this support multiple time tested, if support multiple time hit again and again, chances are very high it could be fall down. And the day today market has made completely confusing candle. There's a rules for the selling on the market in confused stage. Market need to close this low for that he made for today. If I put it here, it's look like 126. So make sure after 126 closing the market, as soon as it cross 126, and we can sell in the market for 122. So target could be 1:2, or for the selling we could planning for 1:3. But if market go on the higher side, so definitely stock will be maybe not trend will be not that much clear. So after flat opening in the flat, we could sell in the market. Target will be 1:2 general target. So this is our analysis, and we planning for tomorrow. So I hope you enjoy the video, guys. Thank you very much, and do your own research in the market. I'm not saying this video just for educational purpose, not for any signal to do that, or the way I said you exactly need to follow. Do your own research and mix your research with me if it is going to help you. So I hope you enjoy the video, guys. Thank you very much.